a large group of asteroids completely blocks the sun, such that the sunlight does not reach the Earth for 1 month. The Earth and life forms on Earth will face numerous problems. Talk about the major effects of this.
I have made a video on Canva explaining the major effects of the asteroid blocking the sun. Humans will start to develop deficiency diseases due to a lack of nutrients in their diet. Later on, because the sun is essential for rainfall, there will also be unforeseen droughts. Therefore, life as we know it would end without our sun.
So after some time, there won't be any gravitational force to hold the Earth. And it will fly into the solar system at speed of 18 miles per hour.
If there is no sunlight, the process of photosynthesis on the Earth would stop and plants would stop getting their food and would die. And if plants would die, animals would also die as they are dependent on plants for their food. And if there are no plants and animals, humans would also die because they have no resource of food.
This is a picture of the sun, the big asteroid, the moon and Earth. The sun over here is emitting light, but this asteroid that came out of nowhere from space is blocking the sunlight. And as the moon reflects the light from the sun, then Earth will be covered in full darkness, as the moon is the only source of light that can reflect the sun's light. But since it's blocked by the asteroid, the moon won't be able to emit light.